guys, welcome to Maddie and Lala's Happy World. I'm Maddie and this is my sister Lala. So we're gonna unbox Mr. Potato Head. This has been so exciting. So let's start. So there is 13 pieces. So we're gonna count them later. Show it. It's just like a stage. And in the back, you can also separate to another one. Okay, now let's start. Let's open Mr. Potato. Wow. There's more pieces. Let's take out all the pieces. So guys, if you need help, you can just ask your parents. So, I will show you glasses and a top. Nothing else. This is my sister Lana Liko. Guys, this is the head and this is the legs. And this is the hands, and this is the glasses, and these are the two pink ears, and one tongue. So this is the hat, and this is the eyes, and this is the beard. So let's get started. And I'm gonna do two styles. The legs, put the hat, put the eyes, put the glass. Oh no, we need to put the ears right up here and there, and then put on the arm. It's hard. And put on the other arm. Put it down. Then put on the nose and the beard so they can be in Mr. Potato. Because let's do it smile. This is my first style. And you can see the back. And here. It's smiling, so let's do the next style. So this is my second style. Oh, we're gonna use the legs first. And the potato head. There it is. And then we're gonna add the hat and the ears and we're gonna do the tongue and then we're gonna do this one again because he always have a beard. There's the arm. Let's do the eye. It's gonna look so nice. It's the eye. And these are the sunglasses. you like the second style? Okay, it's your turn. Oh, if you have more accessories, we can do more styles. If you like our videos, subscribe and like and share. Bye!